Hi everyone, hi guys, welcome back with the last puzzle. Last puzzle in not in today's newspaper, no, in the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, November the 20th, 2021. And today it's actually Sunday, and Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in this additional. I've already solved the ladder Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. Now it's time for the Tectonic with one star. And this one will be number 3717. Okay. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, plus 4, 15 printed digits. Could be an hard one, could be an easy one. Okay. So, for a one-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. We'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? I see here the single box. Single box, always a 1. Then, do we have dual boxes here? I see here a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those two boxes. 1 and the 2. Triple boxes. Do we have triple boxes here? I can't see any triple boxes here. I see a quadra box. It contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. Well, these two boxes are filled in, so those two boxes should be the 1 and the 3. Do not know in which order. Here also a quadra box. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Can it be a 4? So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 3 boxes left. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. More quadra box. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. More quadra boxes. No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, some structures or construction. For example, the L shape. Here we have an L shape, the L shape. And remember, if you see the L shape, here we have the L shape. Remember, if you see the L shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 3. We already have a 1 here. So it cannot be a 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. It's connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this quadra box for the number 1. More L shapes. Here, another one. Rotated. This box is connected with that box. Has the same number as that box. Okay. Here another one, the L shape. This box has the same number as that box. Okay, then the following shape. How about this shape? This shape, let me draw this. Okay. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for the numbers 3 and a 1. Okay, 3 and a 1. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Here, another one, rotated. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2. Okay, more? No. Then, how about the, let me see, the T shape. Well, this one, where can I draw this? I need space here. The T. Let me do this here. Okay. The T. The T. Okay. The T shape. Here we have the T shape. Remember, if you see the T shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So this box is the same number as that box. Oh, right, more T shapes. No T figures. The Z construction. The Z. Here. Alright. If you see the Z construction, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. So this box, same number as that box. Right, those are the figures or shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 4 of them. We have more, but not in this puzzle. This puzzle has 4 structures or shapes or figures that you need to recognize. Then the following step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So next step is let's get started filling the numbers. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this cross area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box will be a 1 and this box will be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can't be 3 anymore. That box will be a 3 and this box will be a 5. This box can be a 5. This box can be a 4. So the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place a 5 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here in this L shape. So it's not the solution to place the 5 here. The only place for the 5 should be here. Alright, this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here. Could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then yeah. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. And this box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 here. So only 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box can be a 4, that box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, so we also have 4. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here, so the only place left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Okay. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 2, because we have a double 2 here. 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 boxes left in this L shape for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those 2 and 4. Yeah. Oh. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means if I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1. In this dual box, 1 box left for the number 2. This box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 4. And that box in this L shape should be a 2. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this Z construction for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Oh, we already have a 5 there. So no 5 here. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely 1. Then. Let's go up. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 3. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this L shape for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. But we see here a 2. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 1. I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2. Can it be 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this L shape for the numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 boxes. This box can be a 3 or a 4 because we have a 3 and a 4, double 3 and double 4 here. So 1 digit left because we have the 1 and the 2 already filled in. So this box should be, can it be a 1, can it be 2, can it be 3 and a 4? Definitely a 5. 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4 in this T-shaped area. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 3. 3 and 4. Now we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finished in 40 minutes. Correct. Faster than 50 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. And thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday. And we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Another day, another new puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.